1998 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 automatic transmission, 20,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. 1998 Pontiac Trans Am WS6, and this is a real WS6. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. Also have the original window sticker which goes with it and the original owner's manual. You have all your RPO codes over on the driver's door, which obviously decodes the colors, the options, all that good stuff the car was born with. And this is a super clean and a really nice WS6 front to back. Like all of them, starting in 98, they transitioned to the LS platform, so this has your stock original 5.7, which is again the LS1. In 98, they're rated at 320 horse and 345 foot-pounds of torque. It is the numbers matching motor. This one is backed by the 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. You have your standard disc brakes with ABS and your standard power steering. No issues with any of the mechanicals. It runs and drives like a brand new car. It is a documented 20,395 miles. There is no complaints mechanically whatsoever, something you can hop in and drive every single day, cruise it anywhere you want to go, keep it as a low mileage example. AC is nice and cold. I got it on the lowest setting right now, but you kick it up, blower motor works great. It's not too terribly hot today, so we do not need the AC on full blast, but we do got it running to keep it nice and cool on the inside here. On the interior, it's the factory, depending on what online platform you look at, they call it light gray. I think on the window sticker they call it pewter or charcoal, but it's the factory black interior basically that you can get for the 98 models. Really no issues on the inside here. Very, very minor wear on the edge of the driver's seat. It's really not even worth noting. A little bit of scuffing on the inside portion of the console from the seat belt, and that's it. The interior other than that is excellent. Carpet's great, floor mats look good. Door panels don't have any issues. Dash looks great. Inside to the T-tops have the little inserts there, which are awesome. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel's nice. Factory gauges, factory Pontiac Monsoon stereo. Back seat doesn't have any issues. Have your standard rear view mirror. Again, interior wise, nothing to really note. It is like new in here. On the website pcclassiccars.com, you will see the additional informations tab. In that additional informations tab, you will find the Carfax, photos of the little imperfections on the car, as well as the doesn't work section. And this one's really easy because everything works. Gauges, lights, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, headlight doors. You click them on, they pop up. Turn your fog lights on, they kick on as well. Turn your headlights off, the headlight doors go down. All that stuff functions properly. Again, no disclaimers on this one. It's a ready to go car. Temperature gauges come up good, so we'll go ahead and get in the throttle here as soon as these few cars go by. Good positive shift. Motor's got great power. The exhaust note sounds awesome. I do believe the tailpipes have been replaced because they're a larger diameter than the factory ones, but they come out in the stock location. That exhaust has a great note to it. You still have your factory manifolds, and then the cats are still on there as well. Underneath is great, like you'd expect a 20,000 mile car. No issues with rust, no problems of any kind outside of a little bit of surface corrosion on the non-painted parts. From the factory, you're going to get that. Exterior is the factory sterling silver metallic paint. It's original paint. You have a few little stone chips and very minor miscellaneous little nicks that have been touched up, but it's all very superficial stuff. The halo panel behind the T-tops has some small little imperfections. You have to be in the perfect right light to see it, but overall the halo panel is in very great condition. Factory WS6 wheels, they're in nice shape. Tires have been replaced. They're a 2023 date code. No dry rot, no cracking on the tires. Again, they don't look like they've had any miles at all. The imperfections are down to, again, just some little stone chips that have been touched up. It's all very minuscule stuff. I've always loved this body style. I think the WS6 is just a killer looking car. Love the hood, the ground effects, the bumpers, the rear spoiler. Obviously, this car being a T-top is just great. Obviously, the only other option would have been the convertible. But I love the T-tops. Pop the T-tops off and have one heck of a good looking car. I think the Stover looks great on this body style, like I said a second ago. I love how stock this car is. Suspension is going to be all your factory WS6 suspension. You do have your standard front and rear sway bar, factory rear end, factory aluminum drive shaft. None of that stuff has been messed with. Glass isn't all in great condition. Windows roll up and down like they should. Your rear defrost kicks on, kicks off like it should. Windshield has a couple small little nicks right in front of the driver. It's up top of the windshield. Nothing spidered or cracked. And then a couple other very minuscule little road nicks in the windshield on the passenger side. But it does appear to be the original windshield, so it's all very minimal stuff. No shakes, no rattles, doesn't pull you left, doesn't pull you right. Downshifts like it should when you roll into the throttle. Driving position is comfortable. You have your tilt, you have your cruise. Obviously it's an automatic, so you have your factory floor shifter with console. Ashtray door opens and closes properly. No one's ever smoked in here. No weird smells of any kind. Glove box opens and closes great. Center console does the same. You can manually shift the gears if you want to. We'll roll it all the way down into one here and roll into it. And again, we're 20,400 miles as of right now in this video. Inside the rear compartment looks all OE and factory back there. When you pop the hatch, it stays up like it should. You do have one key and one key fob. The key fob does work. Lock and unlock works properly. When you pop the hood, nothing's out of place. All the fluids check out great. It is the numbers matching LS1 for this car. Charging system is doing its job. No corrosion in the engine bay. Looks like a well-kept and a very clean car since day one. Nothing's out of place from the front of the car to the back of the car. The disclaimer list is down to a couple little cosmetic imperfections on the inside and outside, and that is it. It's a great car, something you can hop in and drive every single day if you want to. One thing I did notice that just from the light shining in on the lower portion of the door panel there's a couple very minuscule little like superficial scuffs in the plastic, which is probably from your foot sliding in and out. But again, very, very minor there. Turn signal switch is nice and tight. I will say that the driver's side mirror over here, let me check it out real quick. Might just be me. Nope, it's just me. You can edit that shit out, Devin. All right, opportunity here. We'll roll into it again. These cars run really well. Again, they're 320 horse and 345 foot-pounds of torque, but those 4L60E transmissions shift on point. The performance on these cars is just great. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1998 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 with a documented 20,402 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content across all of our social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.